Hey, did you know that in the last 5 years, women-owned businesses have grown at more than double the rate of all other businesses? That's right. The landscape of entrepreneurship is changing, and women are leading the charge. What if I told you that you could be part of this incredible movement, right from the comfort of your own home? Starting a home-based business today is more accessible than ever before. It offers the flexibility to design your own schedule, be your own boss, and create an income stream that truly aligns with your passions and life. Forget the traditional 9-to-5 grind. It's time to redefine what work looks like for you. Now I know what you might be thinking. Starting a business sounds amazing, but where do I even begin? I don't have enough time. I don't have a lot of money to invest. And honestly, the thought of putting myself out there is a little scary. These are completely valid concerns. Many aspiring female entrepreneurs face the exact same hurdles: the juggle of family, existing commitments, and the pressure to have everything figured out can feel overwhelming. There's also the dreaded imposter syndrome, that little voice that whispers, "Are you really qualified to do this?" The lack of a clear roadmap, limited startup capital, and a fear of failure can often stop incredible ideas before they even get a chance to blossom. We see successful people and think they have some secret we don't, but the truth is, they all started with a single step, often facing the very same doubts and challenges you might be feeling right now. The key isn't to have zero fear. It's to find the right idea and the right strategy to move forward despite it. So let's break down those barriers and explore some fantastic home business ideas that are perfect for getting started with minimal resources. First up, virtual assistants. If you're organized, have great communication skills, and are a pro at administrative tasks, you could be a lifesaver for busy entrepreneurs and small businesses. You can offer services like email management, social media scheduling, or customer support, all from your laptop. Next, think about your creative talents. Do you love making jewelry, painting, knitting, or designing beautiful digital prints? Platforms like Etsy have made it incredibly easy to turn your craft into cash by setting up an online shop and reaching customers all over the world. And let's not forget the power of knowledge. If you have expertise in a particular subject, from math and music to a foreign language, online tutoring is a booming industry. You can connect with students globally and make a real impact on their learning journey. These are just a few examples, but they show that you can leverage the skills you already possess to build a viable and fulfilling business from home. Let me tell you about Sarah, a stay-at-home mom with 2 young children. Sarah had a background in marketing but felt her career was on hold. She loved baking and started sharing pictures of her elaborate cakes on Instagram just for fun. Friends started asking if they could place orders for birthdays. At first, she was hesitant, worried about managing it all. But she decided to give it a try, starting with just 1 order a week. She created a simple website, used social media to showcase her creations, and focused on incredible customer service. Within a year, her small side hustle had blossomed into a full-fledged custom cake business. She was booking months in advance, hired a part-time helper, and was making more than she did at her old marketing job. Sarah's story isn't about some magical overnight success. It's about starting small, tapping into a genuine passion, and having the courage to take that first step. She transformed her life, found a new sense of purpose, and built a successful brand, all while being there for her family. Her success proves that with the right idea and a dose of determination, amazing things are possible. So, we've talked about becoming a virtual assistant, turning your crafts into a business, and sharing your knowledge through online tutoring. These are just a few pathways, but they all prove one thing. Starting a profitable and flexible business from home is absolutely within your reach. It's about finding what you're good at and what you love, and connecting that with a need in the market. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these business ideas gets you the most excited? Or do you have another idea you're passionate about? Drop a comment below and let's start a conversation. And if you're ready to take the next step, be sure to check out my other video on 5 essential tips for new entrepreneurs. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more content to help you build the life and business of your dreams. See you next time.